When was the last time you were truly bored? The second you have a free moment, you grab your phone, right? What if I told you that by avoiding boredom, you're robbing yourself of your best ideas and your brain's secret superpower? We're taught that boredom is bad, but science, including research from places like Harvard, shows it's a feature of your brain, not a bug. When you're bored, your brain activates a powerful system called the default mode network. This is your mind-wandering mode, where your brain connects old ideas to create brilliant new ones. This is the key to creativity. It links memories, sifts through experience, and recombines them in new ways. Think of it as your brain's screensaver. Busy, quietly making the connections that spark shower thoughts and sudden aha moments. When the DMN is active, your brain is combining old information in new ways, the very definition of creativity. Every time you pick up your phone to kill a few minutes, you jolt your brain back into reactive, task-focused mode. Understanding the DMN reframes boredom. It's not to be avoided, but cultivated. First, schedule it, just like a meeting. Block out 15, 20 minutes in your calendar with the sole purpose of doing nothing. Stare out the window, sit on a bench, just be. No phone, no music, no tasks. Don't read, don't listen to music, don't make a to-do list. Just sit on a chair or lie on the floor. Let your mind go wherever it wants. It will feel strange at first, but this is your training ground for brilliant boredom. Second, take a walk without a destination and without your headphones. No podcasts, no audiobooks. Leave your phone at home, or at least put it on airplane mode and keep it in your pocket. Walk without a destination or a goal. Pay attention to the world, the sounds, the sights, the feeling of your feet on the pavement. Let your mind drift. Light physical activity plus mental freedom activates your default mode network and allows fresh ideas to surface. This moving meditation fuels creativity and sometimes yields sudden, useful insights. Third, engage in a simple, repetitive task that doesn't require intense focus. Think washing dishes, folding laundry, or simple gardening. These tasks occupy your body just enough to let your mind run free and make those creative leaps. Folding, washing, knitting, weeding. These are autopilot moments where your brain can get to work connecting ideas in the background. Try doing chores in silence. See them as opportunities for your mind to roam free and solve problems. It's during these moments of autopilot that creative connections are made. Finally, be ready to capture the magic. When your mind wanders, it will come back with gifts, and always have a small notebook or a notes app ready. When an idea strikes after a period of boredom, write it down immediately before it vanishes, not the notes app on your phone. The physical act of writing helps solidify a thought. This practice trains your brain to recognize that wandering thoughts are valuable, encouraging it to produce more. Your notebook becomes the bridge between your wandering mind and your next brilliant project. So dare to be bored, put your phone down and give your brain the space it needs to think, to create, and to solve problems. Your next great idea might be just one moment of boredom away. When do you get your best ideas? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to embrace boredom, hit that like button and subscribe to Another How To Guru for more counterintuitive tips.